Whoa, if you thought all air fryers were the same, wait till you see what these monsters can do. Ready for the crispiest, life-changing meals without firing up the oven? It's no secret, big air fryers are taking over kitchens everywhere. Today, I'm counting down the 5 best big air fryers you can get right now. I've spent hours actually testing, tweaking, and let's be honest, eating more fries than I care to admit. This list is packed with honest hands-on thoughts, real home cooking results, the occasional frustrating glitch, and a couple of wait, what surprises. By the end, you'll know exactly which big air fryer you'll want parked on your counter. And trust me, number 1 is an absolute beast, so stick around till the end. Number 5. Salter EK 5668 GW. So on paper, this is a 12-liter dual-view air fryer. The moment you plop this thing on your counter, you notice the size. Family-sized, for sure. I mean, roasting a whole chicken? No sweat. The real show stealer is that clever divider, which lets you partition the basket into 2 separate 5-vealer cooking spaces. Perfect for when the kids want chicken nuggets and you just want crispy fries. But I found that organizing the racks, baskets, and dividers is kind of a juggling act, especially if you're not a Tetris master. I dove into the 11 cooking presets and wow, pizza to cupcakes, this thing's got you covered. The digital display is actually pretty nice and responsive. I just wish the preset buttons weren't so tiny. Sometimes I'd find myself squinting and poking at the panel, hoping I'd hit the right thing. But hey, when I tossed in a batch of potatoes and forgot about them, that built-in viewing window was a lifesaver. No more cold air blasts just to check on progress. Now, the Salter does a really good job cooking for a crowd. On multi-layer, the fries and chicken came out nice and golden. I did notice there was a bit of inconsistency when I overloaded both zones, especially with thicker foods or bigger batches. The top got a little crispier, the bottom needed more time. I mean, you're definitely going to have to do some mid-cook shuffling to avoid half-cold surprises. Cleanup isn't bad, but, there are a lot of accessories to deal with. So pulling out racks and wiping down inside corners takes more time than I'd like. Number 4. Philips HD 9252/91. Moving to number 4, I spent a good chunk of time with the Philips D925291. Right away, I appreciated its sleeker, more compact style. This air fryer is much more plug in and go than the Salter. If you hate kitchen clutter, you'll like how little counter space it takes. The digital touchscreen is smooth, simple, and kind of satisfying to use, if you know what I mean. Let's talk food. The Philips seriously nails crispy chicken wings and fries. I mean, the rapid air technology worked wonders. Little oil, fast cook time, and everything still gets that satisfying crunch. Where it falls short, though, is capacity. I kept wishing I could fit just a few more pieces. Its 4.0-liter basket was, well, let's call it generous for 2, a stretch for 4. Big for a small family, but if you plan to feed a crowd, you'll run into batch cooking drama fast. There are 13 versatile cooking functions, and the automatic presets are spot on. Air fry, roast, bake, grill, even reheat, truly set and forget. Honestly, the lack of noise, registered at just 52 decibels, was a nice surprise. Super quiet for late-night snacks. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to Philips' quick clean basket. It honestly takes just minutes, and the non-stick coating works really well. But here's the thing. It's a bit on the pricier side for what you get. And those color options? Pretty limited. In my tests, it didn't win me over for anything other than small family meals. I wanted more space. And that premium price makes it harder to recommend for everyone. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus. Alright, on to number 3, and things get seriously interesting with the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. Now, if you've ever used an Instant Pot, you know this brand doesn't mess around. This air fryer, it's a total workhorse with a 5.7-liter basket. I love the brushed steel finish. My kitchen finally feels, kinda pro. What set the Vortex Plus apart is its 6-in-1 versatility. I grilled, baked, roasted, and even dehydrated fruit in this thing. The digital display is delightfully bright, and the presets work without much fuss. Food goes in, you get both audio and visual prompts, no excuses for forgetting halfway shakes or stirring. Cooking results? Well, homemade fries and chicken wings came out gloriously golden and crispy in under 20 minutes. The exterior doesn't get dangerously hot, and it's easy to check on progress thanks to the clear cook window. I did feel like the basket was a little bulky, and well, here's a tiny gripe. The basket isn't dishwasher safe, so hand washing is kind of the norm. It does have a distinct extractor fan hum, but honestly, not louder than a dishwasher. Totally fine for most kitchens. One thing I did notice is the Instant Vortex Plus is heavy and takes up quite a bit of countertop space. If you've got a petite counter, you're going to be shuffling your toaster and kettle around. But man, the trade-off is worth it for the performance. The ability to customize and save your own cooking programs is a game changer for routines. No more guessing. 2. COSORI CAF Pro. Coming in hot at number 2, the COSORI CAF Pro has kind of become my go-to for fast, easy, and reliable meals. With a generous 5.8 quart, that's around 5.5-liter basket, and a slick 12-in-1 set of functions, it's built for busy families, or honestly, anyone who wants to make a steak, fries, and reheat last night's pizza, all without breaking a sweat. What grabbed me right away was the rapid 360-degree air circulation. Wow, food turns out super crispy on the outside, but stays juicy and tender inside. Even thicker items like big chicken breasts cook evenly with barely any oil. You also get that shake reminder, which honestly is a lifesaver if you're food distracted like me. It loudly beeps to let you know it's time to shake for perfect results. There's also a bit of magic in how easy it is to clean. The basket and drawer slip right into the dishwasher, and the non-stick coating is solid. Unlike some air fryers, the build doesn't feel wobbly or cheap. The only thing I found a little annoying is the size. If your kitchen is tiny, it definitely demands its own space. Also, you'll want to spend a little time getting used to the presets because there's a lot to experiment with, and timing isn't always intuitive at first. I'd say noise is average, not silent, not screaming loud, totally fine for routine use. Once I got used to the layout and settings, every meal came out reliably crispy and delicious. Number 1. Ninja AF500 UK. And here we are. Number 1. The Ninja AF500 UK, a true kitchen superstar. First impression, this thing is built like a tank but designed to look slick, so it never feels out of place on the counter. The real gift here is the sheer versatility Ninja gives you. With a ginormous 10.4 liters capacity, split into 2 zones by a quick removable divider, you can batch cook for a party or use both sides for different dishes at the same time. I was amazed at how flawless the Megazone setting worked when I needed to roast a giant chicken or layer in enough fries for a crowd. Programming the zones separately, each side can cook at its own temperature and time. And here's where the sync feature comes alive. Shorter cooking foods are delayed, so everything's ready together. I mean, that's kitchen wizardry, right? The controls couldn't be more intuitive, and after a little trial and error with the divider, I had beautifully even results, from golden roast potatoes to perfectly juicy chicken drumsticks. Bread, bacon, you name it. This Ninja nails it every time. I loved how quickly it goes from cold to hot, and there's no need to preheat. Even baking was a total win. My sourdough came out crisp but pillowy in just 10 minutes. Cleanup, as you'd hope, is easy. The crisper trays, divider, and main drawer are all washer safe. And I mean, let's be real, easy cleaning matters when you cook this much. Final thought, and there you have it, the top 5 big air fryers, fully tested and truly loved, some more than others. If you've got your eye on any of these, let me know in the comments. Which one made your mouth water? Drop a like if you're ready to up your air fryer game, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews.